This is the new offline safety valve test bench, adopting a portable tabletop design. It comes standard with 3 pairs of pressure gauges covering a measuring range of 1.6到16 MPa. The quantity of gauges can be adjusted and parameters customized on demand. It supports data acquisition and report generation. A 20-liter gas cylinder with a pressure resistance of 16 MPa is installed inside the equipment, and all pipelines have been comprehensively upgraded. It is equipped with a dual clamping station applicable to DN200 DN400, with an object placement platform in the middle. Interfaces for data transmission cables and power sockets are reserved to facilitate external device connection. The inclined operation panel delivers superior ergonomics. The test features high precision and traceable data.